Hi everyone. Once again, I welcome you all in this session with the same chapter, Transportation in Plants and Animals. Dear students, in this session, we are going to talk about another very important part of the circulatory system, and that is blood vessels. In our previous video, we had talked about the blood. We have seen that the blood was a liquid which was flows in our body from heart to the different parts of the body, carrying nutrients, oxygen and waste materials, etc. So where does this blood flow in, right? So if we say that the blood is the only transport system in our body which actually carry all these essential materials, so how does this blood flow in, and how it reaches to each and every parts of our body? So is it suspended in our body? That is not the case. We actually know about it, that it is not suspended. So how does this blood flow from and flow in to our body? So the answer is the blood flows in the blood vessels. So let us understand how many types of blood vessels. So there are three types of blood vessels, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. Now let us understand one by one about these blood vessels. First, we'll have to understand the artery. What is artery? As you can see in this picture, this is the cross section of arteries. And this wall is the thick wall. In artery, we found thick wall and narrow lumen. What is lumen? Lumen is the space from where the blood flows in, right? So now let us understand the features of the artery. Arteries always carry blood away from the heart. It means they carry blood from heart to different parts of our body. So heart to body parts. Arteries always carry oxygenated blood. What do we mean by oxygenated blood? The blood which is rich in oxygen, right? And that is why the blood is bright in red color. So arteries always carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. What is pulmonary artery? The artery which is joined with the lungs, which carry deoxygenated blood to the heart. As I told you earlier, that these arteries having narrow lumen. So what is lumen? It is a space through which the blood flows in. Arteries having also very thick wall. So why do they have thick wall? Because the flow of blood with great jerk. That means blood flow with high speed and great jerk, because it is connected with the heart and heart directly pump the blood into the arteries. So the wall of artery must be thick so that arteries do not rupture with the great force of the blood. Arteries also do not have valves. So what do we mean by valves? Valves basically the flap-like structure which prevent backflow of the blood, which is only found in the veins, in case of veins, not in arteries, because arteries flow blood from heart to the different parts of the body. That means only in one direction, upwards to downwards. Okay. If we talk about the location of the arteries, where it is found, so these arteries are deep seated under our skin, which are not visible to us. We cannot see them, right? So this is about the features of arteries. Now we'll have to see what is vein. So you can see in this picture, in case of arteries, we have seen thick wall, but in case of vein, the walls are thin and they have wide lumen. Again, what is lumen? Lumen is a space. So now we'll have to understand what is veins. In case of arteries, we have seen that arteries carry blood away from the heart. But in case of veins, veins brings blood to the heart. That means they collect deoxygenated blood from all over the body parts from top to bottom, and then they bring to the heart. Veins always carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. In case of arteries, pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood, but in case of pulmonary vein, they carry oxygenated blood. right? What do I say about pulmonary vein? Pulmonary vein or pulmonary artery? It is the blood vessels which is connected with the lungs. The veins having very wide lumen, as I just told you, the wide space so that blood can flow easily. In case of veins, blood flows slowly because they have to go against the gravity. So that is why they flow very slowly. They move very slowly in the veins. Veins have valves to prevent backflow of the blood. As I just told you that in veins blood flows against the gravity. So it could be happen that blood could be backflow in the system. So to prevent the backflow of the blood, the veins having valves. Veins are superficial. What do we mean by superficial? It means we can see them. It is visible. ठीक है? That is why it is superficial. And these blood flow in two direction. Why two direction? Because it flows from brain to the heart and from toe to the heart. So students, I hope you will understand the topic blood vessels. So in our next section, we will see about the capillaries and other circulatory system. Till then, thank you very much.